Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install the Capital One mobile app for card management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone. Go to the App Store on your device. For iPhone users, select the App Store icon. For Android users, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type Capital One. Press the search button to see the results. Look for the official Capital One app. It will have the Capital One logo featured prominently. Tap on the app to open its page. Check the app details for compatibility with your device. If your device meets the requirements, tap Install. Wait for the app to download and install on your phone. Once the installation is complete, locate the app on your home screen. Tap on the Capital One app to open it. If you already have an account, select Login. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. If you are a new user, select Enroll or Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Provide the necessary personal information as requested. After completing the enrollment, log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, explore the app's features for card management. Familiarize yourself with options such as balance checking and transaction history. Make sure to enable notifications for account updates. This will help you stay informed about your card activity. Now you are ready to manage your Capital One card on the go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.